Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today for our Preschool STEM University class. My name is Miss Irene and we're going to be doing a super fun story called Farmyard Beat today. It's very fun, and then I'll show you how to make a little musical instrument of your own. But first, we're going to do our welcome song, so let's get standing up if we can, and we're going to move around and wiggle and say hello to all our friends. Are we ready? All right, we start with a wave. We go, we wave and sing hello, we wave and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we wave and sing hello. Next, we're gonna clap our hands. Ready? We clap and sing hello, we clap and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we clap and sing hello. And we're gonna stomp our feet. Can you stomp your feet? We stomp and sing hello, we stomp and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we stomp and sing hello. And next we're gonna jump as high as you can. Try to touch the ceiling or the sky, wherever you are. Ready? We jump and sing hello, we jump and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we jump and sing hello. Nice job, everybody. That was awesome. All right, friends, are you ready for a story? This one's super fun. It is called Farmyard Beat. All right, let's see what kind of a beat these farmyard animals have. Peep, peep, peep. Chicks can't sleep. Chicks can't sleep. Chicks can't sleep because they got that beat. Peep, 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 peep. All that peeping wakes up sheep. Sheep can't sleep. Sheep can't sleep. Sheep can't sleep because they got that beat. Tat, tat, tatty, tat, tat, tat. Tat, tat, tatty, tat, tat, tat. All that racket wakes up cat. Cat can't sleep. Cat can't sleep. Cat can't sleep because she's got that beat. Purr meow, purr meow. All that racket wakes up cow. Cow can't sleep. Cows can't sleep. Cows can't sleep because they got that beat. Swish, clink, swish, swish, clink, swish, clink, swish, swish, clink. All that racket wakes old... Who does it wake up? Hank. Hank the dog. Hank can't sleep. Hank can't sleep. Hank can't sleep because he's got that beat. Woof, howl, woof, howl. All that racket wakes up... Who's this gonna wake up this time? Shh, shh, look who's coming. Who's it gonna be? Whoo, whoo, lantern swinging. Whoo, whoo. Who could be swinging a lantern on the farm? Maybe Farmer Sue. Sue can't sleep. Sue can't sleep. Sue can't sleep because she's heard that beat. Sue looks here, Sue looks there, no one here or anywhere. With a yawn, she thinks she'll go to sleep when... Peep, 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 chicks can't help it, they got that beat. Then... Tat, tat, tatty, tat, tat, purr, meow, swish, clink, swish, swish, clink, woof, howl. Hoo, hoo, jig, jig, a jiggity jig. Everyone's dancing to that beat till they fall in a heap asleep. Everyone was dancing and singing their hearts out until they fell asleep. And then the rooster says, cock-a-doodle-doo, I've got that beat. Pretty fun. That's a fun one. All right, friends, so today I'm going to show you how to make a cute little craft. You might know what I'm trying to do here, that you can make some beats of your own with, some music. All right, friends, so for this you'll need a tissue box. If you've got one at home. You'll need some rubber bands. I've got long ones. And then you'll want a toilet paper roll or paper towel roll, some tape, and then color pencils or markers if you want to decorate your box. All right, so I use 3 strings because that's kind of what fit best in my little spot here. So I had them all different lengths, and you can see how I did that here. I kept one straight, and then I tied a small knot in this one, and I tied a little bit bigger knot in this one. So the lengths of the strings are a little different. So if I put my finger here to kind of keep it from bouncing, you can kind of hear different noises from the rubber bands because they're different lengths. That's kind of how guitar strings work. They're different lengths, and so they make different sounds. So once you've got your rubber bands on there, you will decorate your box, and you can also put your little thing on the end to make it look even more like a guitar. So we're just gonna, and this would be, I don't know if guitars have more than 3 strings, but that's okay. You can put more strings on or rubber bands if you want. And then all I did is tape that on there. All right, and then you've got your little guitar. Look at this. Put my fingers here. All right, friends, that's pretty fun. You can decorate it when you're finished with colors, markers, paint, whatever you've got at home to make it look super fun and very exciting. So that's all I have for you today, friends. We will do our goodbye song now, which starts with a wave, and it goes, "See you later, alligator, in a while, crocodile, give a hug, ladybug, blow a kiss, jellyfish, see you soon, big baboon, out the door, dinosaur, take care, polar bear, wave goodbye, butterfly." Thanks for joining me today, friends. I hope you have a wonderful time and make some music with your awesome guitar. I will see you next time for another Saturday, not Saturday, it's Thursday, another Preschool STEM University. We have a little change coming up in June. Starting June 1st, our story times are going to be just Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday morning at 10:30, and they're just going to be summer story time. So we're going to have lots of fun, and then we'll also have our story time on Thursday evening at 6:30 still. So we'll have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday morning, and Thursday evening, but no Monday or Friday. So those are kind of being combined. We'll just have 4 story times. It's going to be super fun. And starting June 1st, that first Tuesday story time on June 1st, we are going to have that outside on the front lawn of the library, as long as the weather's nice. If not, we'll have the class just like we do online. But hopefully, if the weather's nice, we will be outside dancing and singing with you all, and we would love to see you there. So next time, still for May, we're going to be online, but starting in June, we should be outside. So we'll see you then. Have a great one. Bye, everybody.